Hi, hi boys. Um, so I've been through and checked the belt. The belt is 192 teeth. Here's the old belt. Not too bad. 192 teeth, and so I've got this bearing here off. Yeah, just replacing it down here. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm just replacing it down here. This is that one just there. And I'm going to hit the next one shortly. You can see my marks have come off. They sprang off when I took the belt off. So I'm going to get a couple of crescents, and I'm just going to move them up to where it should be, and I'm going to probably prop them up and hold them there while I stick the belt on. Yeah, so I've got me you can see my Allen key on here. Take that off, and I've got another kit. I've got a kit here, and put that on, and yeah, not a problem. Progress on the K8. So yeah, she's getting there, and so yeah, this mark came off. Here's my mark there and here. So I'll probably do the same with that one too, and yeah, first timing belt that I've ever done, but it's getting there. Feeling quietly confident. Famous last words. But I still got my V, so I'm good to go. 192 teeth on the belt, on both belts. So yeah, we're getting there, boys. Alright, we're out.